Hello my dear friends. Now this will be a series of videos in which I will be discussing about the experimental study of photoelectric effect. What we are going to do in the experimental study of photoelectric effect is that we are going to study the various factors. Okay, various factors such as, especially which factors? Number 1 voltage, number 2 current, number 3 intensity of light, number 4 frequency of light, number 5 the experimental setup. ठीक है, तो इन सब चीज़ों की हम बात करेंगे. सबसे पहले एक चीज़ जो पूरे एक्सपेरिमेंटल स्टडी में आपको दिमाग में रखनी है, दैट इज़ द एक्सपेरिमेंटल अरेंजमेंट. How do we study this photoelectric effect and what is our experimental arrangement? ठीक है, experimental arrangement में सबसे पहले देख लेते हैं. Here can you see this tube? This is an evacuated tube, right? It is a tube filled with vacuum, or you can say it is evacuated. On one side of this evacuated tube you have this window. Why do we have this window? Just because we have windows in our houses also. What do we want from there? We want the light to come in. So from this window there is a source of light which is placed close to that window, right? So what will happen? The light will enter this tube through this window. This tube is made up of quartz और ग्लास. ओके, अभी आप बोलोगे सर कि ये ग्लास और क्वार्ट्स का बना है तो वैसे ही ट्रांसपेरेंट है, तो इसमें अलग से विंडो लगाने की ज़रूरत क्यों है? सी व्हेन एयर, इसमें जो बेसिक वजह है यहाँ पे हम इसको ट्रांसपेरेंट बना रहे हैं वो ये है दैट वी वांट टू ब्लॉक इट विद एयर. आई वांट टू सेपरेट दिस अरेंजमेंट फ्रॉम द सराउंडिंग्स आउटसाइड. दूसरा, it is transparent, but when light passes through transparent materials the intensity of light gets reduced. So we are using a window from which the light can come inside and strike at this place. What is this place? This place is an electrode which is known as an emitter. E-M-I-T-T-E-R. What is this? This is the emitter. Now when light comes on this emitter plate, electrons will be emitted and these electrons will finally reach another plate. This plate is called the collector plate because it is collecting the electrons. Okay, when the electrons will strike at this plate, then some amount of current will flow in the circuit. To measure that current, we have placed a milliammeter with this. Okay, to measure the potential difference between emitter and collector, we have placed a voltmeter. All right, and now to study the variations between current and voltage, sometimes I need to change the voltage also. So here I have this battery with an arrow. Battery with an arrow indicates that I can change this voltage according to my wish. Plus I can also change the positive and negative terminals. यहाँ पे मैंने कम्यूटेटर लिखा है. अब ये कम्यूटेटर क्या होता है? कम्यूटेटर इज़ ए डिवाइस जो आपकी बैटरी की पोलैरिटी भी चेंज कर सकती है. समवेयर डाउन द एक्सपेरिमेंटल लाइन I will need negative terminal over here and positive terminal over here. So what I am going to do? I am going to use this commutator की. तो ये इसके मैग्नीट्यूड को भी कम ज़्यादा नहीं करता बल्कि इसके पोल्स की पोलैरिटी को भी चेंज कर सकता है. ओके, नाउ यहाँ से लाइट आएगी, एमीटर पे गिरेगी, एमीटर विल एमिट इलेक्ट्रॉन्स दैट विल बी कलेक्टेड बाय द कलेक्टर, करंट विल स्टार्ट टू फ्लो, पोटेंशियल विल बी डेवलप. I want to change the voltage, I can do it by this. I want to reverse the voltage, I can do it by this. Okay, so this is the experimental setup. Whenever you are studying something, always you have to keep this setup in mind.